Thank you, Lord, for creating females. Thank you, Lord, for creating females. You know what you was doing. You were real, G. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Now we're gonna react to this new challenge on TikTok that's popping. We have the silhouette. The silhouette challenge, you feel me? TikTok completion. Let's see what's popping right now, y'all. Like, leave a like on the video. Y'all know we're gonna go crazy. Let's see what's popping. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. Check out the bangers that I post over here. Check out my reaction channel. I rap the Caribbean music. Mike reacts down below in the description. Let's see what's popping. Let's get straight to this video right now. Less talking, more reacting. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, wait, pause. Let's see what we working with. What we working with? Go. Ooh, okay. That last one was the last shot though. Beat up. I did not expect. She came on looking all beat up and dusty and she transformed.
Lights on. She can bust it down to the right side.
I don't care if he's making fun or not. I don't want to see no guy doing this challenge. Like, no. Why would I want to see a guy? I don't want to see no damn male doing this.
Ugly friend, take one for the team. Two girl, one room. Two girl, one room. Two girl.
On my show.
This challenge was made for you and only you. It was made for you and only you. Contain. Let's go. Damn.
Put your head on my shoulder.
That is what we talking about. That's what we talking about. Damn! I just saw like 10 guys in a row. I ain't trying to see no guys. No, I'm trying to go crazy with these females. Let's go.
on my show.
Why did you cut? Why did they have to cut it so quick? Why did they have to cut it so quick? Why?
Lights on.
Why did they have to cut it so quick? Oh my god. Let go.
One blowing smoke, other one blowing me. You want weed? Treat him money like an ugly friend. Take one for the team.
Damn, it's a guy, but damn! I would definitely put my head on her shoulder. But they had to give us a guy next week. Why there so many guys doing this channel? Challenge. Why are there so many guys doing this challenge, yo? No, I don't want to be seeing no guys over here. Females, please.
Put your hand.
It's not even funny. That is not even.
Put your
That was not even funny, bro. I don't know who told it to fun. That's funny. That is not even funny. But we got a female.
head on my show.
Jesus is Lord. Y'all know that meme? Jesus is Lord. We like those. Let's go.
Tell your girl to come
My show.
Thank you, Lord, for creating females. Thank you, Lord, for creating females. You know what you was doing. You a real G. You are a real G. Ow.
This trend, but make it pregnancy edition.
Put your hand.
That's lit. That's lit. That's lit. That's lit. That's lit. Baddie alert. Baddie alert. My homie's in the back. Baddie alert. My Jamaican people I'm watching. Baddie alert. Definite. Definitely. Definitely. Most definitely.
Put your head on my show.
No, wait, pause. You telling me that was a female? You not gonna fool me?
My show. Put your head on.
The angles. It's the angles for me. It's the rotation, the curves, the turns, the twists and turns. Wow. Wow. We enjoying this. We loving this. This a vibe. That was not it. Okay. Okay.
Take one for the team. Two girl, one room. Two girl, one room. Two girl, one room. Tell a friend, bring a friend, come through. It's two girl.
I had to yarn just now.
So listen, your focus. Draw your attention when I soaking, yeah.
Oh, y'all think this one gonna hit? Y'all think this one gonna hit or miss? Y'all think this one gonna hit or miss? This is a definite. Let's keep the time right here for now. Let's see.
Put
Fuck. I ain't trying to see no dudes, yo. Oh, wait, wifey.
your head on my shoulder.
I thought a female was gonna come. I thought his wife was gonna walk into the scene or something. No, I ain't trying to see no guys. I'm not trying to see no guys. That's what we talking about. That's what we talking about. Yes. Go. Yes. No.
Put your head on my shoulder. Head on my shoulder.
Alright. She okay. She was doing her. She was doing her thing. Yeah. She alright. Yeah. She alright. Girl, with a shape like that, you need to have more than one scenes, more than one photo switching. She is very bad. I'm just gonna go straight ahead and watch her right now. But yeah, I'm.
So listen, your focus. Draw your attention when I stroking, yeah.
Nope. Damn, all these damn guys in the video, man. Damn. But she was okay. She was alright. She was alright.
Put your head on my shoulder. Put your head on my shoulder.
That is what we talking about. All these damn guys passing through the scenes like, I don't want to see no guys. That is what we want to see. Hennessy? Nope. Come on, baby girl. You know you got what we want to see. We want to see you pass this challenge with flying colors. Let's go.
Blow me, you want weed. Treat the money like an ugly friend. Take one for the team. Two girl.
I do love me some females, yo. Shut. Let me just contain myself, guys. If you watch this video right now, please leave a like on the video. You understand me? I'm just gonna finish this video. We got like 3 more minutes to go, but you know me, probably make it 10. But let's just leave a like on the video, subscribe if you are new, and please check my channel out because I post only bangers over here, only bangers. You feel me? Let's go.
Put your hand.
Oh my word! She in the heels with it. She knows what she's doing with it. Oh my gosh! Let's go.
Put your head on my shoulder.
The fact that, boy, you skinny as hell. You know me, I would never do it. Oh damn, and she had elbow. I would never do that challenge. Would you dance if I ask you to dance? Would you run and never look back?
Put your head on my shoulder.
Shawty little baddie, shawty my little boo thing. Every time
Lights on, lights off. She gon' bust it down to the right side. Lingerie.
My shoulder.
Just got to give you something for your wife.
light skin, that it. I like my
One day smoke, I don't want blood.
pop smoke.
Treat the money like an ugly friend. Take
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Tell a friend, bring a friend, come join us. Two girl, one room. Two girl, one room. Yeah, two girl, one room. Yeah, she want kush, color, and
I am Chef Skis Mua.
My shoulder.
That lady scared me just now. But let me see what this one is on.
I walk the pussy like it's up, yeah. And if I ever fuck a girl, it's over, yeah.
That is exactly what we're talking about. The right females built the right way, doing the right challenge for the right person to react to. The reaction boss, which is me. Oh no, do it to them. Do it to them. Do it to them. I can't wait to see what she's gonna do. But I just want to take time again to tell you guys, please like the videos, please subscribe. And if you want a part 2, I just pulled my I had some 2 strands and I just pulled it out. But if you guys want a part 2 to this video, let's get 1,000 likes and you get a part 2. 1K likes. You know what? 500 likes and you get a part 2. You know, 500 likes and you get a part 2. 500. Does she have leggings on or something? Yes! Yes! Like WWE. Yes! Daniel Bryan, let's go. Let's go. Yes.
smoke, I don't want blowing me. You want weed?
Cause you were 1 in a million, there ain't a man like you.
Damn, two girl, want
Yeah, on this, I'm gonna wrap the video up right here. I have nothing against guys, but I just wanted to see all females in this video for you. Trust me, I just wanted to see all females. But leave a like, 500 likes, and you all get a part 2 to this video. So what are you waiting for? Hold up. What are you waiting for? Leave a like right now. Tyrekevlogs signing out. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out my reaction channel called Tyrek Reacts. Mostly Caribbean content, but you guys will enjoy it. Trust me. I'm a whole different, I'm a whole different character. I'll see y'all in another one. 500 likes, part 2. Peace out.